In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept all changes in Grammarly. Whether you're refining an academic paper or crafting a compelling email, utilizing Grammarly to its full potential can enhance your writing significantly. And today I'll show you a straightforward method to apply all the suggested changes effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open Grammarly. If you're new to this tool, Grammarly is an excellent resource for anyone seeking to improve their writing through comprehensive grammar, spelling, and style suggestions. Once you've accessed the Grammarly website, you'll see an option to log in. Click on I have an account. If you haven't signed up yet, this is where you would input your details to create an account. But for now, let's assume you've previously registered. Now type in your email address. Be sure to use the email associated with your Grammarly account to avoid any confusion. Once you've entered your email address, click on Continue. This step ensures you're logged into the right account where your document, full of suggestions, awaits your keen eye. Now that you're on the Grammarly homepage, you're just about ready to tackle those changes. From here, you will want to open the Google Docs document where you've applied Grammarly's suggestions. If you're working with a different type of document, like a Word file, make sure Grammarly is accessible through whichever editor you are using. Once your document is open in Google Docs, find the Grammarly icon which should appear in your toolbar. Clicking this icon will activate the Grammarly extension for Google Docs. It's a simple yet powerful tool that will display the collection of writing enhancements Grammarly has found in your document. Now focus your attention on the suggestions that appear on the right hand side of the document. Here you'll see the list of recommended changes. Click on Accept for each suggestion. This will automatically apply the correction to your text, ensuring a polished final piece. Taking the time to go through each suggestion can majorly impact the clarity and professionalism of your writing. Finally, repeat this process for all the suggestions that Grammarly has provided. While it may seem a bit tedious initially, accepting all the changes ensures your document reflects the highest standard of writing. Auditing your writing with Grammarly's features can save you time and elevate the quality of your work considerably. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've officially